In this video, I'm going to show you how to best utilize the 2024 calendar for all the rising and moon signs. So in page number 2, we start off with the house interpretations for all 12 houses. As we know, there's 12 houses in the zodiac, and each house means something different. So you're going to look at the meaning of each house, and this is going to come in handy when you see what transits are happening for you in which house. So this is page 1 and 2. Page 1 and 2, you have the houses. Then page 2, you have the planets and then the meaning. So this is going to be important because you want to know what each of the planets that are transiting in your life, what they mean. For example, with the moon, we can utilize the cycles of the moon to manifest. So whenever the moon changes signs, and you will know because in your each month it tells you where the moon is placed for you. You will know that whenever there's a new moon, there's a 6-month cycle that's being activated. And then with the sun is important because it helps you gain courage in whatever house is transiting. Then Venus will bring you pleasure. So you know that whenever pleasure, beauty, abundance, etc. So wherever Venus is transiting for you in your chart, based on what it says, what house it says is transiting in, now you know that when Venus transits there, it means this, or when Sun transits there, it means this. And then you have each sign, and then their rulers. Important dates for each of the 12 signs. Take a look at those and keep those in mind when you're planning out your 2024. Then I give you also a guide on how to manifest, my favorite ways to manifest, along with the affirmations. So step 1 is to find the affirmations that I'm recommending to you on the key each month, which we'll see in a minute. And pick at least 3 of them each month, regulate your nervous system, and begin affirming them throughout your day. Affirm them rampage to rampages, affirming them. You can look up what a rampage means, but it basically just means to repeat the same affirmations in different ways over and over and over, like have like a conversation with yourself. But regulating your nervous system is very important. These are the steps. If you do all of this, you're going to see, and you follow the transits that are happening for you, you're going to see how much your life is going to change in 2024. Then at first, you're going to notice the affirmations are going to feel a little bit cringy to repeat, but that's okay. Just keep on until they become engraved. These are the affirmations. I tailored them to each house. So whenever you have a month that's heavy in the first house, these are the affirmations you're going to choose from. Whenever there's a second house, heavy month, you're going to choose from these affirmations. Choose at least 3 at a time. Then over here, these are the last set of affirmations. Then over here, you have the interpretations for the tarots, because each month also has like a little tarot energy. My favorite part about the chart, about the calendar, is the manifestation formula, and where I show you how to manifest using this formula. So every month has one, as you can see, every month has one. And what you're going to do is that at the beginning of the month, you're going to write out where you're going to be manifesting on that month based on the topic the topics that I write here, because these topics are correlated to the transits that are happening for you, also the affirmations. So for January, for this zodiac sign, this is a very heavy 9th, 4th, and 1st house month. So luck, spirituality, and all of those things are really important for you this month. So if you focus on developing that and on manifesting that, you're going to see that this month you're going to make the best out of it. And then, so you would write the affirmations there that you're going to be working on, what you're grateful for this month. And then, or, you know, at the end of the month, you would write like what you manifested already this month. And then keep up on how much you're doing the affirmations daily, 2 times, 3 times a day. For week 1, most months have 4 weeks, so you would fill it out every week. So week 1, 3 times daily, 2 times daily, 1 time daily, and the things that you notice as you started saying the affirmations. And then at the end, you're going to write where you're looking forward to accomplishing next month. And each month has like a manifestation focus. So these are the things that are possible for you every month. So you would choose from the affirmations that are given to you right here. Then, as you can see, there's a little house placement next to every transit. These are all the transits. So the moon transits are always going to be there. And then whenever a sign switches signs, it's going to be highlighted. For instance, Mercury changing signs or changing signs or turning direct, is green. Venus changing signs is pink. The new and the full moons are blue. I made a mistake here, that was supposed to be yellow, but you can see it's highlighted yellow. So whenever the sun is changing sign, it's yellow. The sun represents yellow, Mercury is green, Venus is pink, new and full moon are blue. Then you have what conjunction means that it's sitting really close to it. So the new and full moon, the new moon is happening in Sagittarius for this sign in the 9th house. So if you want to know what that means for you, you would go back up to the house meanings. And then if you want to know what the moon means, you would go back up to the planet meaning. And then if you want to know what affirmations to use for that new moon, you would go to the 9th house affirmation table. So that's how you use this. And then by the end of the year, and then here are the energies of the tarot. So for the sign for January is the Hierophant and Strength. So you would, by the end of the year, you're going to have a whole entire booklet every month of everything you manifested. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it and give me some feedback on what you guys think about it.